Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save videos offline and watch them in YouTube Kids easily. So if you want to keep your kids entertained even without the internet connections, you can just save videos offline in the YouTube Kids apps and enjoy them anytime and anywhere. So in this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps to download videos for offline viewing, so ensuring the uninterrupted fun for your little ones. So in here, you can just start by opening the YouTube Kids apps on your phone, and then just find the videos that you want to download. So here, for example, I want to download this ones right here. You can just tap on the three dots icon and there will be this option, download video. So just click on that. Now it will downloading. You can see the progress in here, and downloads remain available as long as you don't delete it from the library. You can just wait until it's done, and you can also download more than one clip. For example, I'm going to download this one. Also, you can do the same step. Tap on download video. Okay, so after the download is done, to find the video here, if your kid go to this download options, there will show the downloaded videos in here. You can also find it by clicking on this lock icon at the bottom right corner. Solve this simple math problem. Because this is a parent only page, you can click on submit and you'll find downloads. So here is the downloaded videos that you can watch offline without the internet connections. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.